Have you ever dreamed of making pizza at home quickly, simply, and without the need to turn on the oven? Today, we'll show you how to make it in just 15 minutes. No need to be a chef or spend all day cooking. Let's make a pizza together that will amaze your friends and family. And believe me, you'll do it with ease. Stay with us, because at the end of the video, I'll share a helpful tip that will make your pizza even tastier. So, let's get started. First, let's see what we'll need. These are just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. For the dough, kefir or yogurt, 200 milliliters, flour, about 300 grams, and just a pinch of baking soda, about half a teaspoon. For the topping, you can use whatever you love the most. We'll stick with the classic: cheese, pepperoni, mushrooms, and a little bit of greenery. First, let's make the dough. In a bowl, mix kefir and baking soda. You'll hear it start bubbling. That's a good sign. Add a pinch of salt to give the dough flavor. Gradually add flour, stirring first with a spoon, then with your hands. The dough should be soft, elastic, and not sticky. If it's still sticking to your hands, just add a little more flour. Once the dough is ready, transfer it to a lightly floured surface and roll it out into a thin sheet. The thickness should be around 5 millimeters. This is the perfect thickness to ensure a soft yet well-baked base. While we're rolling out the dough, preheat the skillet over medium heat. For this recipe, it's best to use a skillet with a non-stick coating and a lid. Transfer the rolled dough to the skillet. To make sure it fits perfectly, you can gently roll it up on a rolling pin and then unroll it directly over the skillet. Let the dough cook for a few minutes to get a golden brown bottom. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the sauce. For the sauce, take tomato paste or ketchup, add a little garlic, dried basil, and a pinch of sugar. Mix it well. This sauce will give the pizza a rich flavor and aroma. Once the dough is ready, flip it over and immediately spread a generous layer of sauce on top. Don't be shy. The more sauce, the juicier the pizza. Now, let's add the toppings. First, cover the dough with a good amount of grated cheese. Cheese is the foundation of any pizza, and the more, the better. Then, add the pepperoni slices, mushrooms, and a few olives. Try to distribute the toppings evenly so that every slice is as delicious as the next. Cover the skillet with a lid and reduce the heat to the minimum. This is important so that the cheese melts and the toppings warm through without burning. While the pizza is cooking, let me share another little tip. If you have pre-made dough, the process will be even faster. Just heat the skillet and start preparing the toppings. Check the pizza after 8 to 10 minutes. If the cheese has completely melted and the edges of the dough are golden, it's ready. Carefully remove the pizza from the skillet. It's best to do this with a wide spatula. Before serving, you can sprinkle the pizza with fresh chopped herbs or add a few drops of olive oil for extra flavor. Slice the pizza into pieces and here it is, the perfect homemade pizza made in just 15 minutes. Isn't that wonderful? Now you have a simple way to delight yourself or your loved ones with a delicious hot pizza, and it really is something everyone can do. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to support us. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more tasty recipes. Write in the comments what toppings you like most on your pizza, and maybe we'll feature your suggestion in the next video. Cooking is easy when you know how. See you in the next videos.